You came back. That's great. I was hoping to see you here, same time, same place, as you put in your calendar, right? Because all of you from action steps from lesson 1 was to design a time that really fit for you to work on this process. So I hope we can meet here at the same time, on the time that you decided that works for you. And so remember, I just want to remind you, my goal for you for this process is to feel empowered, confident, and proud, all right? So whatever you felt before that, go ahead and take a deep breath. And now we can feel empowered, confident, and proud because you're gonna get everything you need to know. I know you might be a little bit anxious right now, like, man, I really gotta write my essay. I got you. The essay is gonna come, but every piece is a building block and we can't build without the foundation. So all of this is super important. When the essay comes, it's gonna be lots of times, lots of action steps for you to be able to get through it. But now it's time for lesson number 2, deal makers and deal breakers. This lesson for you is really important. Main reason is because do you know all the aspects a school has to offer? If you do, amazing. Guess what? They change every year. There might be something brand new this year that a school has that you didn't even know that you needed because you're just not aware of it. And so we're gonna go through all the types of schools, what they can offer, what you can look for, because you can't really make a school list without knowing all the options that exist. And so that's what we're gonna start with. We're gonna start with how can we start this list into something that fits who you are. So not only is this process important to understanding who they are, but do you know who you are? Because if you don't know who you are, you can't fit into who they are. And so that's what we're gonna focus on. And so let me tell y'all a secret. I applied to one school. Only one school came to my high school. And I was like, oh yeah, this makes sense. And so I applied there and thankfully I got in. But really, I got really lucky in getting in, right? Because there's no guarantees in this process. And so at the end of this lesson, when you see it, you're gonna be able to build your list. Because the college application process in the US is not clear cut. It's not super transparent. There could be somebody that you've known that got into a school last year with the same test scores, with the same, essay topic, and you're like, oh, if they got in, I got in. And that is not true. Things change. There's so many different things that are out there and you just have to be able to go with that flow. And so I want to make sure that you have a list so that way come May 1st, which is National Decision Day in case you didn't know, you have to decide where you're going to go. You need some options on the table. And so as someone who is super self-aware of myself, I know that I'm an early riser. I know I go to bed early. I know that when I travel, I like to go to museums. These are all things that help people understand if they want to hang out with me or not. If you don't want to go out to dinner at 5 p.m. and you like the 8:30 p.m. option, amazing. I won't be there. I'm going to be in the bed. And so the same thing for you. If you're like, oh, I really need a small school. I know it sounds cool to go to these really big colleges with football teams and basketball teams, but you're overwhelmed. It's not for you, boo. And that's okay. Guess what you can do? You can hit up your friends on the weekend and say, hey, I'm gonna go to the game, but I'm not gonna go to that campus where they have 1,000 people in the classes, right? So that's what this lesson is all about. It's all about your awareness of who you are and what the school offers. So when you make your decision, when you have your list, when you meet your match, you know it's actually a good one and not one that feels forced, all right? So listen to the lesson, explore all the different options, and I'll see you at the end of the action steps.